Hey friends, if you encounter the error, Word cannot complete the save due to a permission error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So click on File and then you can select Account. Make sure that the product is activated. Then click on Update option and select Update. Then if this doesn't help, then right click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to the Apps tab, select Installed Apps, search for Microsoft and hit Enter. Okay, and then after this, go to the Microsoft Office Home and Student. Click on these three dots here, select Modify, and then you can click on the option for online repair. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.